I'm Ashley. I work for CSL Group. I am the crew leader of the Parliament Garden Crew. We take care of all the annual beds, all the perennial beds, maybe some tree damage, but mainly just garden beds and floral beds. We just maintain them, just keep them looking pretty. I love floral. I took the apprenticeship program, so I got to learn a whole bunch of stuff about flowers, the science behind it, the maintenance behind it, everything. There's so many different plants that we take care of, so many different varieties that I didn't even know existed. It's still different every day, so I'm enjoying it. I love it. It makes people happy, right? When they see flowers blooming in the middle of the summer, they love it. It makes them happy, makes them joyful, and I can't see a building without a garden bed, right? So it just makes the whole appeal of it.